guys, and welcome back to another video of mine. And today I'm gonna show you a game that I made in Pygame with Python in Visual Studio Code. Of course you can use any editor you want, but you will need Pygame. It's very important that you have Pygame. I will show you how to install it. So this game contains a lot of features like a main menu. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about the game. The game is about a spaceship trying to dodge some asteroids and trying to survive as long as possible. So this game has a main menu, sound effects, ability to save progress even though you're not playing, and you can't quit the game. During gameplay, there is a thank you list for all people who helped me make this game and test it. There's a lot going on and a lot of code to write, so you will need some energy to follow along here, and let's begin with the gameplay. So here guys, this is the code. I'm here to show you gameplay and how to install Pygame. So to install Pygame, you go to your terminals, type pip install Pygame and hit enter. So if there's any reason this isn't working for you, then you should type in. So it says this for me because I'm already installed. So let's get back to that. If that doesn't work for you, you just type pip. Wait a second. pip3 install Pygame. So that's how you install Pygame. So now that we're done with the installation, now we have to see the game. This is how you run a Pygame file. You type in Python and the name of the file. I named it the first letter of my name and then .py and enter. So here you may hear that the game has sound. The game has sound. This rock music. So the name of the game, Asteroid Dodge, you hit press enter to start, press to quit, and if you don't know how to play, you press how to play, use arrow keys to move, avoid falling stars, survive as long as possible, press P to show or hide this menu, press to quit game. So hide it, and my name, the creator, and my sister's name, the tester. So let's start the gameplay. Here, we can go back, forth, left, right, up and down, any direction you like, even sideways, like this. So here we have a high score of 38. If we don't make a high score, that's the music that will play. If we somehow manage to break it, that was just a mistake. I'll make a new high score. I wanted to make the high score. This game is not that hard, but the reason the high score is low is because I don't want a lot of time playing this game. I can't do it, it's too hard for me, but it might be too easy for you. So here we're playing the game. I'm gonna beat my high score and see how long it takes for me to do it, to show you the audio that plays if I beat my high score. I'll update this game. I'll add in that I can delete my high score, or maybe turn off or on the music. So I forgot another feature. Here we beat my high score. If I try to quit, it will say you can't quit during gameplay. If I try to, that red text over there will trigger. So here I'll lose. This is the audio that will play if I do a new high score. So if we quit, thank you for playing. So who's the developer, graphic designer, who's the sounds, the testing, and special thanks to my sister who obviously tested the game. And hit the same button again to quit. So guys, hope you liked my game, and the next video I'll show you and I'll explain the whole code. Even though it's gonna be too long, I won't finish it in one video. So guys, hope you like this game, and I'll meet you in the next video.